The other night, my friend called in a panic because her 2017 Honda Civic completely lost power right after she tried to start it. Her first thought, someone tried to steal her car, or worse, the anti-theft system had turned on her. Classic Civic drama. There's this thing where the anti-theft system can actually lock you out from starting the car if it judiciously suspects something's up. It's both genius and incredibly annoying, especially when you're running late and just want your car to behave like, a normal car. Picture this. You press the push to start button and absolutely nothing happens. No dashboard lights, no clicking, no response at all. It feels like your car's fallen into a coma. I get this is the moment people start wishing they'd learned telekinesis. Where people really lose sleep is not knowing if it's a battery issue or the anti-theft system tripping. Both can show the same symptoms: dead silence, flickering lights, and if you listen closely, the faint sound of your frustration rising. Here's the pro tip. Check your dashboard for a blinking key symbol. If it's there, the anti-theft system is flexing its authority, and your Civic is very much in no-go mode, purposely locking out anyone it doesn't trust, sometimes including you. Resetting isn't exactly rocket science, but it's not obvious either. First, grab your main key, not the spare or aftermarket one, but the original. Get in, close all doors, and hit the brake. Press the start button and just wait. If nothing happens, release everything and try again. Sometimes it takes a few attempts for the system to communicate, like two teenagers both pretending they're not home when the doorbell rings. After 3 slow tries, you might magically see the dash light up again. If not, here's another old-school trick. Pop the hood, disconnect the negative battery cable, and wait 10 minutes. This essentially reboots the car's system. Be careful not to zap yourself or lose the clamp nut down into the engine abyss. Reconnect the battery, close the hood, and try starting up again with the original key. This solves it for about 73% of stuck Civics in my totally unofficial Portland Facebook data. Just don't do it in the pouring rain like I did. Very Portland. There's an ugly pain point, though. If you've swapped the car battery recently and you used a non-dealer key fob, your Civic can lock itself for good. Honda's anti-theft system wants to verify the key is original, and aftermarket fobs can turn your car into a lawn ornament. At this point, if nothing fires up, you usually need to have a dealer or locksmith program your key again. It's a pain, can cost $120 to $250s, and they'll look at you like you tried to hotwire your own car, because technically you did. By accident. Here's my Scott-certified advice. Always keep one original Civic key safe at home and avoid budget replacement key fobs. They might save you $30, but it'll cost you hours of headache when your car goes full Mission Impossible and self-destructs the ignition circuit. Last trick before you throw in the towel. If you are stranded and your Civic keeps blinking that key light, lock and unlock all doors using the physical key blade. Sometimes resetting every lock just brings the system back to its senses, like a polite tap on the shoulder.